you see, 'cause I think I do want you next to me. Want you next to me, but does this work?
Basketball court. And tapos yan yung garage niya, oh, laki. You're hungry? Put your arm, please. Yes, and that's very hot, huh? Very hot. Good morning guys, nakaligo na ako and suot ko na yung white na All Saints na t-shirt, tapos mamaya mag-blazer na lang ako. Today is August 3, Tuesday. Alis ulit kami, pero bago yan, akit muna tayo sa taas para mag-breakfast. Dalhin ko tong computer kasi hanggang ngayon uploading pa yung vlog ko. Dapat kagabi to eh, kaso nga mahina yung internet. Tanggalin ko muna to. Akit tayo. Okay, akit tayo guys. Ito, ginawa na ako ni dyan ng breakfast. Ito yung may ano to, may sultana. Sultanas. Is it this sultanas, Han? Raisins. Yeah, raisin bread. Si Jan, Vegemite, and crumpets. So, simple breakfast today. Baba, good morning! Ayan, ginawa na siya ni Daddy. Same, crumpets with Vegemite. Naglalaro ulit sila ng cards. Si Kuya andun sa dulo, oh. Naglalaro ng gun. More, Han, more please. Thank you. Pinainom niya muna si Holly. Good, Baba? Ito kay Kuya to. Ito yung raisin toast. You're welcome. And ako din, nag-toast ulit ako ng isa. And yung mag-ama, naglalaro ng cards. Tapos na sila ni Kobe. So, sila namang dalawa. Eat your breakfast, Kuya. Zachary, drink your Yakult, please. That's yours.
Scallop.
Paalis na kami. Pakita ko lang sa inyo saglit yung suot ko. Eto yung scarf. Kahapon, suot ko siya black. Kasi pwede siyang baliktarin. So, ngayon, gray naman. And kanina, pinakita ko na sa inyo yung t-shirt ko, diba? Yung All Saints. Tapos, eto yung blazer na nabili ko ata to sa H&M. Tapos, leggings. And, ayan, yung sapatos. The same. Kasi isa lang naman yung dalawang sapatos. Tapos, crossbody bag. So, yan lang naman, guys. So, alis na tayo. Pero, feeling ko, dalhin ko to. Just in case, baka malamig. Kasi sabi ni Jen, malamig daw yung pupuntahan. So, dalhin ko na lang. Kasi for sure, may dagat na naman yung pupuntahan natin. Then, yung aking laptop. Dalhin ko. It's in the car. Hindi ko pa sa inyo napakita. Meron ditong ping-pong table dito sa garage. Dito sila lagi naglalaro. Ayan. Si Joe at si Jen naglalaro. Muntik ko na makalimutan. Ginawan ulit ako ni Kylie na chocolate drink. Alis na tayo.
You're on, Zach.
Okay, may barker ulit tayo. Okay, come on, Zach. Come on.
Yeah, man.
Yep. Si Kuya nandun ulit siya sa car nila, Sophie. Oh, seatbelt, Baba. Go, put your seatbelt, Baba. Dito pala tayo ulit sa port. Ayun yun. Ang bungad ay, ayan, dagat. Ulit. And bahay.
Chicken is right behind us.
And magagandang bahay ulit.
No surfing spots here where you went.
Naghahanap sila ng nag-surf. Surfing spot.
I don't reckon, mate.
Look at this house. We didn't go here yesterday. No, hindi pa natin ito napuntahan guys, kaya binisita natin. Bahay. Pili na kayo ng bahay. This one, yes. Look at that house. Lahat glass. Oh, bangin. Naghat ng spot na pagsusurfan, pero hindi naman magsusurf si Joe. Look at this house, son. Kakaiba siya. Ha? Good? Look at that. Oh. And look at this one. That one, Han. Huh? You don't like. Okay. Pupunta ata tayo ng Harbor Town. Is it right, Han? Harbor Town?
Where?
Harbor Town. Where are we going?
Victor.
Sorry. Victor Harbor. Sa city naman yung sinasabi ko. Mag-shopping ka. Victor Harbor pala tayo pupunta. Si Holly, pag nagbablog ako, pinapatay ko kasi yung music. Nagagalit siya sa akin. Ayun o. Kasi kumakanta kasi ang baby. Papa! Music please! Okay. Mamaya na lang guys. Ganda ng view namin dito guys. Hindi ko lang alam kung makikita yung... Hindi kasi siya ma-appreciate. Ganda.
Remember we went out there, Zach?
There.
Out to that island. What was that one?
Yeah, no, nice.
Remember we walked around it? Double.
Ang daming binibuild na house dito. Ayan lang, music ulit. Dito na tayo guys sa Victor Harbor. Bilis, diba? 15 minutes lang to. Kung saan ka nagstay. Ayan na. Nakapunta na tayo dito 3 years ago. Pinapaalala namin kasi nakalimutan nyo, nakapunta na kami dito. You remember now, Zach? Kasi tinuro ni Jan na nag-picnic kami doon. You remember now? We had fish and chips. Zaki?
Yes, wicked
Baba.
fish and chips too.
Yeah, that was nice. Masarap yung... What's that? The view. Oh. Wala na, natakpan na ng puno yung view. Umuulan, tsaka malamig. Hindi maganda mag-walking ngayon. Yan, dagat ulit guys. Dagat ulit.
Oh, look at that person.
What about that person? Where? I don't see. Ah, okay.
Danger, do not use
Look at that guy, oh. What's that, huh? What do you call that? Ayun,
Windsurfer.
Windsurfer.
I just said, look at that guy.
Meron nga doon, oh. May nagustuhan na bahay si Jan. Yung ano lang, yung frame. Is it framing? Yeah. Picturean ko mamaya.
Oh my. What's that island?
I don't know. Ang ganda doon, oh.
Let's get down, let's get
Oh,
down.
diba? Pinatay ko na naman yung music, so siya na lang kumakanta.
Mama not busy. How is that island? Million, I just like this. How is that island on?
Ang ganda, no?
There's nothing. Well, it used to be all joined, Zach.
All joint. Huh? That one? Sabi ni Jan, before daw, yung bundok tsaka yun, joint daw yan before, pero ngayon, ayan, separate na sila. So, drive lang muna ulit tayo, guys. Ang ganda naman dito. Ang ganda ng mga bahay din dito. Kanina. Where's Moshi?
Underneath the rock down, underneath the shotgun.
Sing the new song, Baba.
What?
The the song that you just learned.
A little bit of love.
Yes.
I've been
Wonder what's up
running
there.
in
Come on,
the
let's go up.
pieces, swimming in the deep end, crying from the weight I could use it.
Whales
I
in.
need it. A little bit of love. Oh, oh, a little bit of love. A little bit of love. Let me use it on in her.
Si Jan ang nagturo nun sa kanya. O, baba muna tayo dito. Pero ayaw kong bumaba. Ang lamig. Ayan yung view dito ngayon, guys. O. Andun sila, o. Pictorial. So, chine-check ko lang yung aking in-upload na vlog. Ayan, okay na siya, guys. Nood na po kayo kung hindi nyo pa napanood. Grocery haul yun. Okay? Baba na tayo. Lumabas yung araw, eh.
Oh, hi, Chona. You got out of the car. Okay, we're just going to hop back in now.
I just checked my vlog, hon.
I reckon it's shit.
Careful, huh? Careful.
A little boat. Yeah? Yeah.
Best friend from the start, always had my heart, but now it loves you differently. You came in at the right time, baby. You have changed my life. Everything I do, I want you there.
Nagpa-picture lang kami dito ngayon.
Yeah,
Hindi ko alam kung saan
somewhere,
naman kayo pupunta.
somewhere.
Nag-uusap pa sila.
Have a look.
Umakyat tayo dito. Ang tawag dito ay The Bluff.
I wonder if you can walk up there.
Where? Walk where?
Up there.
Up there? Are you gonna walk?
Yeah, you can. Could you see that log there?
Where?
Where? Chona.
Ah, yeah, there. You can. See?
That's a freaking hell walk, man.
Look at, there's people there. Do you wanna walk?
Way up
I
there.
ain't walking there.
Do you wanna
You,
walk?
Joe?
Yes.
Akyat daw doon, guys. May mga tao doon. Why na? Yeah, so saya ni Zach.
I'm not gonna take the trail.
That's a long way, Chona.
Just half. Let's go. Ayan yung view. Oh, nice view. Hindi na kayo maglalakad kasi napaka-haba. Taas. May aeroplano di remote,
Where's
guys.
that plane gone?
Ayan, ano, there, up there.
Where's he doing it from?
I don't know. Oh my God, it's windy, guys. So windy.
Never had so true.
Bye!
Where are we going, man?
Tingnan nyo yung driver ko ngayon ay si Joe. Si Jan naman kay Kylie. Nag-swap husband kami.
And next.
Look out, Chona!
Look out!
You're going backwards.
Swap husband. Reality show. Ay, ang ganda ng view. Oh my goodness.
This is
Sick, yeah. Nice view, guys.
Whoa.
Oh.
He'll pull up just here and say that'll do.
Ang ganda, oh.
You're right though, it doesn't feel like a big
No,
car
it
drive.
doesn't. It doesn't. To think that I'm small, it doesn't feel big car. Gusto niya kasing bumili ng malaking car. Gusto niya i-convince si Kylie na palitan yung car nila na ganito. Nalalakyan kasi si Kylie, pero hindi siya ganun kalaki pag dinadrive. So, ngayon, try na niya.
Car in on it and like.
Maybe because of the parking, he's thinking about parking.
Yeah, no, that's why I really got to get her to drive it because she's gonna know that it's not that bad to drive.
Ito yung gustong bahay ni Jan. Ayan, pinicturean ko na. Okay, thanks, Joe.
It's pretty sick.
Yeah, it's nice. Oh, three-way. Meron pa raw.
Right up where you are now.
Meron pa raw tayong pipicture na bahay. One, two, okay. Mag-describe me. Okay, okay. Ayan, ito din. Pinicturean ko kasi gusto rin to ni John. And yung isa doon. So, I think... Okay, pinicturean ko na siya, guys. Maganda rin to.
Just tell this lady, man, that's unbelievable. That's a beautiful car.
Thank you. I-ask niyo si Kylie na i-try itong i-drive kasi gusto niyo i-convince talaga si Kylie na magpalit sila ng car na ganito. I-trade yung car nila.
I've always loved these types of cars. Always. I've just never ever been able to afford it.
Yeah.
Kylie, you're driving this next.
Try, Kylie, come on.
I've had a drive before.
No, you're not. You just have a little drive. Go with.
Okay, baba tayo dito kasi mag-walking daw tayo, guys.
Did you get a photo though?
Yes, I did, Han. Where's the key,
I got
Han?
the key.
Alright. Andito na yung mga bata sa playground. Ayun si Kuya, oh. Nasaan si Zach? Where's Zach? Where's Zachary? Ah, andun sila ni Sophie, oh. Baba, I thought you wanna go to the toilet. See? Okay, come on. We'll find toilet here. Si Holly, ayaw na mag-toilet. Kanina pinipilit kayo maghanap ng toilet. Come on, Baba. Yes, you need. Because there's no toilet around later. Come on, let's go. Come on. Okay, tapos na siya mag-toilet. Okay. Balik siya dito. Ayun na si Zach. Oh, kanina hindi ko nakunan si Zach. Kasi andun siya sa slide. What? What? Zachary, be careful, ha? I don't know. Why? Have you seen that? Kita niyo yan si John, nag-thumbs up dalawa. Well done, Jack. Go, Baba.
Mom, look at this first slide.
What? Which one?
This.
What? Wait. Yes? Yes?
Oh, wait, you can slide down that.
Oh, hindi na-inform si Kuya na pwede siya mag-slide dyan. Go, ya! Collie! Wait for Kuya! Go, ya! Okay, go, Holly!
Oh!
Oh, yeah! I think so, yeah! Si Kuya hindi niya raw kayang gawin yung ginawa ni Zach. Just be careful, Zach, ha? God. Oh my God! Ang saya ng... Ang saya ng daddy. No, you cannot do that there. Because you're gonna hit your head here. Don't do that there. Watch daw si Zach. Ano naman kayang gagawin? Just be... Huh?
Mom!
Honey, have you seen that?
Did I land it?
John, Jack, go on, Jack.
I landed it.
Look what he did.
Nelly.
Gusto niyo makatayo. But that's good, Zach. Go, Kuya. Do it, yeah. What Zachary did. No. That's enough, Zach. Oh.
Hello, Zach.
What are you teaching her, Kuya? So, di ba? Ang dumi-dumi mo na. Yes. Okay. Okay. Oh, careful, Baba. Okay. 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 Hintayin natin siya mag-slide siya. Okay. I'm staying here. Yes, I am waiting for you to come down. Wow! Well done. Go, Sophie! Alis yan, Baba. Sophie, start. Good job. Ay, ang lamig. Tingnan nyo si Zach tsaka si Kobe. Doon sila sa top ng stone. Pinipicture ni Kylie.
Put your legs together or something.
Yeah, like
Ivy, put your legs together.
Yeah, just show me
Like
practice,
that.
mate.
Come on! Picture. Look at me. Yeah. It's alright now. Come on. It's alright. It's alright. Come on. To the rescue si Kuya. So come on. Hey. Okay. Okay. Okay, that's enough now. Go to Daddy. Takbo agad si Zach nung narinig niya si Oling umiyak.
It's alright, cover.
It's alright.
You'll be right, love. Bloody fell.
Yeah.
You're alright, you're tough.
Ayan, okay na siya guys. Ganun lang naman.
Let's go on that jetty thing.
Don't do that again there, Baba. Oh, diba? Bumalik din siya. Okay? Okay na siya. Which one? Yeah. That's nice. Tingnan niyo yung dalawa. Si Zach tsaka si Kuya. Doon na sila sa taas ng ano, Cubby house. Si Kuya TJ hindi niya ito magagawa. Hi. How do you get up?
You grab your feet on the thing here.
Alright. Do you wanna go up, yeah?
You want to get up?
Do you wanna get up? Go, yeah?
Alright. Move your phone, Jack.
Move, Zach. Go, Kuya.
Grab your hand. Feet on the right. Right, that's it. Yep. Alright, one with the right.
Oops.
Yep. Now you
Go, Kuya.
So put your foot up the next level. The rope. That's it. Next one. Alright, down.
What? You can't, yeah?
Yeah, because when Zachary put his feet up the rope, I pulled him up.
Oh, okay.
Oh, Holly, you want to get up? Nah, not Holly.
Not Holly. No, not you, Baba. You can, Baba. Tinatry talaga ni Kuya, makaakyat din siya.
Alright, that's it.
Okay, push your body.
That's it.
Yep. Oh!
Oh, shit. Try again. Get your feet up. Alright,
Go, Kuya.
that's it.
Then,
Now, lean your back up against that. Grab that. With your hand. Start pushing yourself up against this.
yeah.
That's
Okay, climb. Okay,
That's it.
push your body.
Almost.
Go, yeah. You can.
That's it.
Go. Yep.
That's it. Get your leg up.
Put your legs.
You're almost there.
Go, Kuya. Oh
Oh.
my God, Kuya. Di talaga kaya ni Kuya. You're almost there, Kuya. To the rescue ang Daddy. Go, Han. Ayan na si Daddy. Ipupush niya na. Ay, hindi. Binuhat niya na lang. Okay. Good job. Okay. Picture na sila ni Kylie. And yung dalawang babae, nandito naman sila kay Jo. Ha? Blurry? Tapos na maglaro yung mga bata. Balik na tayo. Zachary, hindi ko lang kung saan kami pumunta. Ayan, gutom na. May dala. Gumawa ulit si Kylie ng sandwich. Para sa mga bata. Oh my God, it's freezing for ice cream. Ayan si Holy Girl. Snack time. Thank you. Say thank you and then roll ups. Hoy, wait, stay here. Sanitize first before eating. Okay. Get your lunch, Baba. Thank you. Picturean ko daw to, sabi niyan, kasi maganda yung combination ng color, white tsaka yan. Hindi ko alam parang, what do you think? What color is that? Brown? Not brown. Yeah, it's not. It's like coffee. Yeah, parang, ayan, picturean ko daw. Ayan, na-picturean ko na. Ayan, si Kylie naman yung magda-drive ng aking car. Okay, get in. Okay. Just press that one.
I can't close the door. I can't close the door.
Lucky? Ah, sorry. Nasa kanya yung key. Alright. What's that?
Joe wants me to get
Yeah, to stop your car. I think it's a good idea because that one is too small.
I feel like I'm in a blooming truck. High up like this.
But you're too high, you can see everything. Na tayo sa baker, guys. And ang sasarap ng dessert nila. Oh, kumuha ako nitong Kitchener bun. Request ni Holly. Thank you. Okay, this is yours.
Thank you.
You're welcome. TJ. That's not donut, Baba. Use it Kitchener. That one.
Yeah.
This one? No. Go to Daddy, and Daddy will help you. Ito yung akin. 5. Ayan yung kay Holly. Okay, sit down there, Baba. Enjoy. Yum, yum. Ang dungis mo na. Ang sarap niya. Okay, let's go. Si Kylie ulit yung magda-drive sa car. Come on, Baba. Let's go. Okay, punta lang kami saglit sa Ulit, then uwi na. Kasi magluluto pa ako. Pinicturean nila yung sarili nila, all boys.
Is that real?
Huh? Masok tayo dito sa Ulit saglit. Yes! Okay, wait. I'll fix it. Come on. Here. So, ito yung mga kinuha namin dito sa Woolies. Maulit kaming bacon. Naubos na kasi. Tapos eggs, juice, and bread, and cupcakes. What did you say, Baba?
Back in business.
Kasi si Jana yung magdadrive. Yun talaga sinabi niya sa papa niya. Hi, Dad! You're back in business.
Could you pass me my
So, uwi na tayo. Magluluto ako ng dinner. Gumanda na yung araw. Oh, hindi na umulan. Kanina umulan.
Yung mushy! Baby!
Yung boys na dun sa kabilang car.
Tell me what you do on a Sunday. I'm tired of all these Friday nights.